Papa?
Not it!
No, Jeremy, you can't eat that.
Here's a massage technique I use on old bads like your mom.
Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs.
Howdy!
I am Cornholio.
Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro.
How could she do this to me?
Gotta hype myself up. Yeah! Did I do it? Excuse me, I was sitting there.
I'm allergic to myself.
Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out.
You're 5 minutes late!
Wait, Papa!
First exercise
Papa, please!
is called Jump the Chump! So far, you are the chump!
No, not again!
Pick up the pace, pussyfoot! Dinner's ready. Oh, ow! What the? I'm telling Mom.
No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever.
Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me? Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door?
Wake up, Jacob! Help! You're sleep drowning again. Help! Jacob! Help! Oh, for fluff's sake. Help! Hey, Daryl. Help! Throw him in the litter box!
Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
I got it!
It's mine!
No, I got it cornered over here!
So I wound up and I reared back and then I punched him in his fluffing face.
What kind of hairless kitten is that?
One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth?
Wait up, guys! I'm coming!
I've done it. I captured a cloud. Would you look at this? It's in my paw. It's a freaking cloud.
Ew, it's wet.
Barbara, call the priest now.
I have a demon.
He's starting to take control.
Shut up and act like a horse.
No, you don't scan it twice. I just said that. Talk about my mama again, Derek.
Yo, Mama, so
fat. Timothy, try this tuna broth. Too salty. Ugh, I'm gonna leave this here.
I told him, keep his paws off Darlene.
He's behind me, isn't he? I can feel his breath.
Our entire litter is orange.
All right, it's time to get back on my New Year's resolutions and burn some of these fat calories. Oh man, this is exhausting, you know. I just lack the necessary meowtivation. Breaking news. Meow Mix has filed bankruptcy. No!
Duck, duck, duck.
Goose! Oh, shit, Daryl!
Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey.
Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up?
No?
Don't lie to me, boy!